Trees are the oldest living organisms on planet Earth. This is the giant Sequoia tree, widely known as the General Sherman. It is the largest single-stem tree on planet Earth. It stands at a height of approximately 275 feet and has a diameter of about 25 feet. It is closer in height to the Statue of Liberty. The General Sherman is estimated to be between 2,200 and 2,700 years old, making it not only the largest, but also one of the oldest living organisms on Earth. It is located in the Sequoia National Park in California, USA. It was named after the American Civil War General, William Tecumseh Sherman. It is estimated that the General Sherman weighs over 2 million kilograms. For reference, its weight is equivalent to the weight of about 10 blue whales, the largest animals on Earth combined, or approximately the weight of about 1,000 small cars combined. This ancient giant sprouted from a tiny seed long before the rise and fall of a lot of empires, the advent of technology, and even the evolution of human civilization. Its bark, which can be as thick as 2 feet in some places, has been able to withstand countless storms, periodic fires, and changing climates over the centuries. Unlike other tree species, the sequoia's bark contains tannins, which render it resistant to both insects and fire, providing them with a competitive advantage in their natural habitats. Sequoia trees belong to the Cupressaceae family and include two prominent species, the giant sequoia and the coast redwood. These species have evolved over millions of years, developing specific genetic traits that contribute to their impressive size. One crucial genetic characteristic of sequoia trees is the ability to produce in abundance of growth-promoting hormones, such as auxins. These hormones stimulate cell elongation and division, facilitating rapid vertical growth. The sequoia's genetic code allows for continuous cell division in the meristem, the tissue responsible for primary growth, leading to the development of towering trunks. Upon all these impressive dimensions, the General Sherman is not the tallest tree on planet Earth. This is Hyperion, the tallest tree on planet Earth. In the year 2019, it measured approximately 380 feet tall. It simply dwarfs the Statue of Liberty. Hyperion is a coast redwood tree, which is part of the same family that giant sequoias, like the General Sherman, belongs to. According to researchers, it is estimated that Hyperion is at least 600 years old. However, the General Sherman and the Hyperion are not the oldest trees on the planet. The Bristol cone pine tree is the oldest tree on planet Earth. It is commonly known as Methuselah. According to current data, it is at least 4,800 years old. Apart from genetic makers, a lot of factors also contribute to how large and tall trees grow. Generally, plants communicate and assist each other through complex relationships called mycorrhizal associations. Beneath the soil, all the plants are interconnected through a network of fungi. Mycorrhiza are symbiotic relationships between fungi and the roots of plants. The term mycorrhiza originates from the Greek words mycos, which means fungus, and rhiza, meaning root. These partnerships have evolved over millions of years, and it represents a delicate balance where both parties benefit. There are several types of mycorrhizal fungi, but the two most prevalent categories are endomycorrhiza and ectomycorrhiza. The first type are endomycorrhiza. These fungi penetrate the plant roots and form intricate structures within plant cells. The second category are ectomycorrhiza. In contrast, ectomycorrhizal fungi form a sheath around the plant roots, extending their hyphae into the surrounding soil. The whole complex scientific process starts from mother trees. These are the largest, oldest and the tallest trees in the forest. Mother trees usually have excess amount of sunlight needed for photosynthesis due to their height and colossal size. As a result, they also produce plant sugar or food in excess. Inside the soil, the mycorrhizal fungi also need a portion of the plant sugar to survive, so they attach long strings on their body, called mycelium, to the plant roots and start feeding on some of the excess plant sugar. The mycelium on their bodies can connect several neighboring plants together. After feeding, they also harvest the nutrients in the soil and send it back to the trees. They also send some of the excess plant sugar to the smaller plants that need them. The plants even send danger and defense signals to other plants through the mycorrhizal network. If one plant gets attacked by insects, it signals other neighboring plants through the mycorrhizal network to equip themselves with defense mechanisms. These fungi can connect hundreds or even thousands of plants together, depending on the scale of the forest. According to some studies, scientists are even starting to believe that the largest living organisms on Earth may be fungi and not trees or animals. They believe that a single fungus can colonize thousands of acres of land. Now, the taller and larger the mother trees grow, the more they produce excess plant sugars and feed to younger or smaller trees. This paves the way for them to also grow and become larger trees. If you study carefully, giant sequoias and redwoods or other larger trees are mostly surrounded by other large trees that are closer in size and height. All of them assist and feed each other to have the chance to grow larger. There are over 60,000 different species of trees. Plants can be found on every continent except Antarctica. According to scientists, trees have been around for almost 400 million years. They have witnessed the rise and fall of the dinosaurs and have also been able to survive almost all of the mass extinction events that occurred on planet Earth, including the end Permian mass extinction event, which is considered the most devastating natural disaster to have ever occurred in the history of planet Earth. It occurred about 252 million years ago